At BHP, we are deeply sorry to all those people who were affected by the Fundão dam break. We are committed to our presence in Brazil for the long term. The communities that require relocation have had a say in every aspect of the process, including votes to choose the areas where their communities will be rebuilt. We work tirelessly to provide support to Samarco management and the Renova Foundation.
Más de 50.000 personas participan en las reuniones de diálogo colaborativo. 362 familias fueron afectadas y se les reconstruirán sus casas en áreas urbanas y rurales. Medidas correctivas tomadas en 101 afluentes de Río Doce. Revegetación de más de 1.600 hectáreas de bancos y bordes de ríos con especies de rápido crecimiento. Control de erosión y remodelación de casi 1.500 hectáreas de bordes del río, uno de los ríos más controlados de Brasil.
This is serious and challenging work. One of the most important factors for the remediation efforts is to re-establish the thriving communities impacted by the dam break. This is an event without precedent, and we are learning as we progress.